Right, this is Hawk, and we are at Bald Mountain Shelter. And for those of you who haven't gone over Bald Mountain, assuming you survived the climb, it is awesome. It has renewed part of my spirit that was taken away from with the snow. One of the things that I do want to mention, Ms. Man and I are here, is that Ms. Man noticed right by the side of the shelter, I'll throw in a picture there, there's a pile of, okay, how do I put this? There's a pile of shit there. Somebody took a dump right next to the shelter. For God's sake, people. This is a special thing that we have. Don't screw it up for other people. Don't be a jerk. Speaking of jerks, I'll talk to you a little later about another jerk that we've run across. So anyway, we're packing up late as usual. We're going to head into No Business Knob. I think it's No Business Knob Shelter. From there, we'll do a short nero into Erwin on Tuesday, I guess. I think today's Monday. And enjoy a few days there. It looks like it's going to get bad north of there, so we may zero a couple of times in Erwin. Anyway, this is, we'll talk to you later. This is Hawk out. There's Hawk here. We are at No Business Knob Shelter.